Demystifying the phrase fixed in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, focusing on the versatile word fixed. You've probably come across it in various contexts, so let's unravel its different meanings. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding and be ready to use it like a pro. The first and most literal meaning of fixed refers to something that was broken or not working and is now repaired. Example: my phone wasn't turning on, but it's fixed now. This use can apply to a wide range of objects, from electronics to vehicles. Another common usage pertains to something that remains the same and cannot and will not be changed. Examples: the meeting is fixed for 3 p.m. tomorrow. The rules are fixed and cannot be altered. Here, it signals that there's a certainty or definiteness about the situation. Fixed can also be found in a variety of idioms and expressions. Let's explore some. 1. Fixed in one's mind. This means something is clearly remembered or not forgotten. 2. Example: the day we first met is fixed in my mind. 3. Have a fixed idea. To have a strong and unchangeable opinion about something. 4. Example: she has a fixed idea about how the project should proceed. 5. Be in a fix. This is an informal way to say that you are in a difficult or troubling situation. 6. Example: I forgot my wallet at home, and now I'm in a fix. These expressions show the flexibility of the word fixed in the English language. In the world of finance, fixed often refers to something that's stable or constant. Examples: fixed income, a type of investment where the borrower-issuer is obliged to make payments of a fixed amount on a fixed schedule. Fixed interest rate, an interest rate on a liability, such as a loan or mortgage, that remains the same either for the entire term of the loan or part of it. These terms show how fixed can represent stability, especially in the context of money. So there we have it, a journey through the diverse applications of the word fixed. Whether it's mending, unchangeability, idioms, or finance, fixed truly is a multifaceted word in the English language. We hope this has been enlightening and that you're now fixed on using it confidently. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.